Today, we, the students of the Vinod Gupta School of Management, IIT Kharagpur, are privileged to have amongst us Mr. Venkatesh Sheshadri, Head Supply Chain Consulting at the Confederation of Indian Industry. And after a highly engaging session with all the students, we now have a few questions for Sir. So, shall we begin, Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, what, according to you, is the importance of digitalization in supply chain?
So in supply chain, the digitalization has got tremendous potential. So to say, like we have blockchain catching up, and a lot of Indian organizations have got deployment of IoT solutions, and transportation especially, and for vehicle maintenance. Then we have got artificial intelligence just catching up, and analytics is already there, and people want to really deep dive into the analytics. And so to say, we are in the stage of let's say descriptive analytics. We are getting into the predictive. Then probably I won't say it will not take much time to get into prescriptive, although we say cognitive is something 3 to 5 years time from now. So there are potential opportunities.
Thank you, Sir. The next question will be, what, according to you, is the importance of upskilling in modern times?
Extremely critical. So when you talk about supply chain transformation projects, we focus on people, process, and technology. And what we have seen consistently is like people is a huge deficit area. There are two approaches where we talk about people development, whether it is identity-based or outcome-based. So what we always say is like you don't really focus on a specific outcome and try to build up the skill sets. Instead, you want to see as a top-class supply chain professional, which is your identity. That's more sustainable and long-term. There are good opportunities for upskilling as well.
Thank you, Sir. That was really well answered. Lastly, we'd like to know about your experience in interacting with all the students of VGSoM, and what message would you like to give to all the future managers?
It's a very lively session, I would say. Nearly 150 students participated, and really in-depth questions were asked. Like one of the questions I still remember, like we talked about the connected solutions engaging the startup companies in the technology space of supply chain. How far is the scalability? Then the next question came up is like, how far is the data which is given by the corporate companies to the startup companies? So it got really addressed, and they are really spot on, and they had complete understanding and a deep level of participation, which also went in through. So I see even for my team, it's going to be a lot of things, exciting things to come up with your guys here.
Thank you so much, Sir. It was a great honor to host you today. And once again, thank you for coming here.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.